All right, let's dive into one of the most mind-bending ideas in all of science, parallel universes. This is one of those concepts that feels like it's straight out of a comic book, but it's actually born from some seriously deep scientific thinking. So let's get into it.
I mean, really think about it for a second. Is there another you out there who actually aced that test you were worried about? Or maybe just chose a different path in life entirely? It's a wild thought, and it's exactly what we're going to explore today.
Now, if this whole idea is ringing a bell, well, it should. You've probably seen it pop up all over the place. We're going to look at how this crazy concept made the leap from our movie screens into the labs of real scientists. Pop culture is absolutely obsessed with the multiverse. I mean, it's everywhere. But here's the kicker. This wasn't just some writer's cool idea. The theory of the multiverse actually has deep roots in real, cutting-edge physics. So, let's find out where scientists even got this from.
Okay, before we go any deeper, let's make sure we're all on the same page. To really get our heads around this, we need to define what scientists are actually talking about. So, what exactly is a parallel universe?
A parallel universe is basically another reality, a whole self-contained world that exists right alongside ours. Maybe in that universe you have superpowers, or maybe gravity just works differently. The key idea is that it's a separate place, like a different radio station playing that we just can't tune into.
So if that's a parallel universe, then what's the multiverse? Easy. The multiverse is all of them, the whole shebang. It's the theoretical collection of every single possible universe you can imagine. Our universe is just one tiny piece of that puzzle. You know, the best way to picture this is with bubbles. Imagine our entire existence, every star, every planet, everything you've ever known is all contained inside one single bubble. The multiverse theory suggests there's a huge cosmic ocean out there just filled with countless other bubble universes. Right, so this isn't just science fiction. The idea of the multiverse actually came from some of the most advanced areas of physics. Let's take a look at the scientific pillars that are actually holding this whole theory up. What's so amazing is that it's not just one theory. 3 completely different fields of science, when you push them to their absolute limits, all seem to point to the multiverse. You've got quantum mechanics, which is the super weird science of tiny particles. Then there's cosmic inflation, the theory of how our universe began. And even string theory, our best shot at a theory of everything.
Okay, hold on, because this is where it gets really strange. The many worlds idea suggests that every time a tiny particle has a choice to make, the universe actually splits. A new universe is created for every single possible outcome. Think about what that means. A new universe for every choice you've ever made. Mind-blowing. And then we've got the Big Bang. Our best theory says our universe expanded insanely fast right at the beginning. Well, some physicists think that process never really stopped. It's like a cosmic bubble machine that's always on, constantly spinning off new universes that just float away and do their own thing.
So we have all these different scientific paths leading to the multiverse. To help keep it all straight, a physicist named Max Tegmark sorted them into 4 distinct levels. Think of them as 4 different cosmic flavors of the multiverse. And trust me, each one gets a little wilder.
All right, let's run through these. Level 1 is pretty simple. If space is infinite, then eventually things have to repeat. So somewhere out there, there's another you. Level 2 is our bubble universes, where new cosmos are born with their own unique laws of physics. Level 3 is that quantum many worlds idea, where every choice creates a brand new timeline. And level 4, this one's a total line bender. It says any universe that's mathematically possible is real. So, we've got these incredible theories and fascinating ideas, but is any of it actually real? This is where we need to take a step back and get a serious reality check on the challenges of proving the multiverse even exists.
And that's the big question, isn't it? If these other universes are totally cut off from ours, how on earth could we ever know they're there? It's not like we can just build a spaceship and go for a visit.
So what do scientists do? Well, they become cosmic detectives. They can't see another universe directly, but they can search for clues it might have left behind on ours. Using powerful math and simulations, they look for strange anomalies, like faint bruises in the leftover radiation from the Big Bang that might be a sign our universe collided with another one.
But let's be really honest here. After all that searching and all that modeling, the number of direct, confirmed pieces of proof we have for the multiverse is, for now, a big round 0. It's still a totally fascinating but unproven theory.
And this brings us to a huge debate happening in physics right now. On one side, you have critics saying, look, if a theory can't be tested, it isn't science, it's philosophy. But on the other side, scientists are saying we just haven't built the right tools yet, hoping that things like quantum computers could finally give us the key to finding proof.
So if we can't prove it, you're probably asking, why do brilliant scientists spend so much time thinking about it? Well, it turns out that even just exploring the idea of the multiverse teaches us a whole lot about our own reality.
The search for the multiverse forces us to ask the biggest questions out there. It pushes us to understand the true origins of our own universe, to test the absolute limits of physics, and to ask why our universe is so perfectly tuned for life to exist in the first place.
And that brings it all back to you. We'll end with this thought. If there are countless other universes where other versions of you made different choices, it puts a special kind of importance on the choices you make right here, in this reality. What is the one and only you in this universe going to do next?